Hi everyone, I've created 10 beautiful easy step-by-step hairstyles and this is hairstyle number 10. This hairstyle is all about softness. It's just a beautiful chignon at the nape of the neck. Let's have a look. So I start off first of all by separating the hair into two even sections. You can see I'm just using my fingers to do this. Take one side out of the way. Now we're going to start, I'm going to gently start to twist the hair back to the very nape of the neck. Once I've done that, I'm going to pull it down, take it around, look at that, there's my loop. Take the tail over and back through to create a beautiful knot. There we go, we'll just pull that through and you can see that knot perfectly placed. Okay, let's have a look one more time. So we'll do it one more time. This is important. Take it down, around. There we go. Pull it through and there's our beautiful knot. Now we're going to repeat the same on the opposite side. Bring it around, tie it through, and there's our knot. Place your section clips in there to hold. Now what I need to do is I actually need to anchor these together. So I'm going to take my hair grip and I'm going to go up from underneath and join the two knots together. And then I'm going to go down. And I'll use however many extra hair grips I need to hold it. Then I start to pull the hair to create a very soft front, and I'm going to crisscross the tails off like this. By crisscrossing the tails, it locks the knots together so that they don't move. I love this look. It's so elegant and yet so soft. Okay, let's take it from the mannequin to the client.